So by now we have all heard about El Niño, but guess what? There's also a La Niña. These two oscillations bring big changes in the weather pattern across the globe, mostly across Southeast Asia, extending all the way to the Caribbean, and even for us here in the US. Now, how do we know for sure when a La Niña phase has actually started to kick in or has arrived? We need to answer the following 3 questions. It's mostly about the temperature of the water. Is the monthly sea surface temperature at or less than half of a degree Celsius below average? Is this trend set to continue, let's say during the next 3 months? If that's yes, then we move on to the final question. Are there signs of the circulation above the tropical Pacific, also known as a Walker circulation, to be stronger than average? If the answer is yes, then we have officially kicked into a La Niña phase. Now, what exactly is a La Niña phase? A La Niña means that the trade winds move all the warm waters out to the western part of the Pacific, bringing in rainier and warmer temperatures across Southeast Asia. Now, La Niña brings cooler temperatures across the eastern Pacific, bringing in cooler and drier conditions across parts of Colombia, Peru, and Ecuador. Now, for us here in the US, La Niña is set to continue during the next 3 months, during the meteorological winter. This means December, January, and February. The jet stream will remain to the north, keeping in the cooler and rainier conditions across, let's say, half of the northern part of the lower 48. Now, the southern 48 will continue under dry conditions and also with warmer than average temperatures. This does not mean that we're not going to get a cold front. This does not mean that we need to put the sweaters away. This just means that after the winter season is done and we make all our calculations, the temperatures would have remained slightly above average for the season and drier than expected or drier than the average for this time of the year. Opposite is true for the northern half. I am certified meteorologist Irene Sands.